Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing from Junque in Thy Trunk. And I think I'm going to show you a few things that I got from Amazon as well. But Junque in Thy Trunk is a jewelry subscription that I found on Cratejoy. Now, Cratejoy is great for this time of year because you can send things as a gift right from the checkout. You just enter their address. If it's a reoccurring subscription, Cratejoy takes care of all the details. You don't have to worry about a thing. But I didn't get this as a gift. I got this for me. Now, I get just the earrings. She has 6 different plans ranging from $5.49 all the way up to $32.99 with a variety of different options available. She also customizes the metal if you like silver, if you like rose gold, if you just want gold, or a mix, a surprise me kind of thing. So let's see what she sent me for November. I have a card. So she's saying sorry for sending the wrong metal last month. I did reach out to her and tell her that she accidentally sent me the gold, and if she could make sure that everything was silver. She felt terrible about it, and she said that there's going to be an extra pair in my bag this month, which I'm excited to see. Her name is Tara, and she's doing a great job for me. So here is the cute little box. Look how cute. Perfect stocking stuffer size. Oh, Tara. Now, last month, she sent me gold sunflowers, and this month they are silver. And I am wearing a round pendant kind of deal, so this will match. So let's put these in. Cute. Very cute. Look at those. All right, find it. Oh, can okay. There they are. I like them very much. And I have the regular pair that I would have gotten this month. Look at that. They're like Celtic. Very cute. I like those. Very dainty. Yeah, if you just want a little something something. Very nice. Oh, I'm very happy with that. So that is my Junque in Thy Trunk for November. So let's see what I got at Amazon. Here's a little sneak peek, not too much. Okay, so the first thing I got, if you guys follow me, you know that I drink tea. Well, I get loose leaf tea, and yes, they send the reusable bags inside that you can put your loose leaf tea in, but they get kind of grungy. So I decided I needed some tea diffusers. Wait till you see these guys. Oh, I'm sorry about the bag. Okay, now that I have fought with the bag, are you ready? These are tea diffusers. Look how cute. They hang on your cup. Oh. So they hang on your cup. So you can just put it in your cup and it hangs out and makes tea for you. And it's easy to grab and remove. It just pops off. Put your tea in there and just hang this on the side of your cup. And you're ready to go. These were like $5 something for the pair on Amazon. I just thought they were too cute. I can't wait to use them actually. I like to keep my tea bag in my water And then as I'm drinking it, like when I'm like 2/3 down, I'll top it off with some more water, and then I have another cup of tea. And so this will replace the bag and just hang out with me all the time. So that's that. This is a magnifying glass. I notice that when I'm unboxing things, there are times that I can't see what the writing is. I got it in white. Wow. But it lights up. See if you can see there's lights around here. Let's see, what kind of batteries do I need? I need 2 AA's, it looks like. Stand by, let me go get those. So I've got the batteries in there. Oh. Here we go. Okay, the moment of truth. Ooh, look at that. Oh yeah, I won't have a problem seeing anything with that. You can see all the lights. That'll come in very handy when I am unboxing. So I got that. This was $8 some odd cents. And the last thing that's in the box, a handbag. Look at it. Look at it. I love it. I've been using my handbag for quite a few years now. I'm not one that changes my handbags, only like on special occasions, and I need it to match my outfit. Get in there. So it's kind of beat up a little bit on the sides. It doesn't look horrible, but it's worn. Okay. So it is a vegan leather, which, okay, I understand that people want to buy products that don't involve the killing of animals. I get that. I adore animals. But when it comes to leather, we're slaughtering the animals to eat. Shouldn't we try and use all of the animal? I mean, that only makes sense to me. How do you feel about that? Let me know in the comments down below. It gets me sometimes, you know, wondering what is the right thing. I mean, vegan leather is plastic. We're trying to get rid of plastic on our planet, and we need to. So there are 2 handles. We have a very nicely lined compartment here and one here. And ooh, here is the long strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody. Nice big compartment. Zipper. I got this for like 24 or 32, something like that. Oops, all right, I'm trying to do this blindly. It was open. Okay. So we have a little zipper pouch here, and there's also 2 pockets over here. So there's lots of space for me to put things. I like that they're separated and all of that. But, yeah, how cute. It has a pocket on the back. That is also lined. Has the feet on the bottom, which I really like it when they have the feet on the bottom. It really saves the bottom from wearing out. Yeah, there we we go. I would have to say though, one thing I'm not happy about is see how it's bent? I like a structured purse. And the fact that they shoved it in the box so it bent, not really happy about that. But I am sure I can work that out. You can probably sit it in the sun, warm it up, maybe put a box inside here to hold it out, and it'll take its shape back. But yeah, I think it's adorable. It'll match a lot of outfits. Very cute. And I think that's all I have. So that is all I have for this time. I am so glad you came by. I do hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.